Hello, my name is Febrianti Dewi, grade 11 semester 3, absent 11. Explanation text about the process of rain. This is the process. Rain comes from water on the earth's surface, such as seawater, vapors that are emitted by the sun, which then the water evaporates or becomes steam and floats into the air. The water that evaporates will become steam floating into the air and continues to move towards the sky with the help of wind. Water vapor from clouds. Due to wind or moving as clouds meet each other and enlarge towards the sky, or Earth's atmosphere where the temperature is low or cold, and eventually forms ice and water. Eventually forms ice and water droplets because they are heavy and unable to be supported by the wind. Eventually the water droplets fall.
Wah, the rain has stopped.
The weather is sunny again. Rainwater will flow from upstream to downstream, or from high place to lower place, and will empty into the sea. That's the process of rain that we often see in everyday life. Rain pours after going through a long process.